Educuties TV!
Hey kids, let's discover some yummy and cool fruits together. Get ready to learn, laugh, and have fun. Let's dive in. Apple, crunchy and sweet, comes in red, green, and yellow. Pear, sweet and juicy with a soft inside. Banana, a soft and sweet fruit that's great for energy. Orange, juicy and full of vitamin C. Grapes can be green, red, or purple and are super sweet. Mango, sweet and juicy, known as the king of fruits. Strawberry, a red heart-shaped fruit with tiny seeds on the outside. Pineapple, a spiky fruit that's super sweet and tangy. Blueberry, tiny, round, and super healthy. Pomelo, the largest citrus fruit, like a giant grapefruit. Kiwi, a small fuzzy fruit with green, sweet, tangy flesh inside. Apricot, looks like a tiny peach, but with a slightly tart taste. Lychee, small, red, and juicy with a floral taste. Grapefruit, a tangy, slightly bitter citrus fruit. Cherry, small, round, and juicy, perfect for snacking. Papaya, soft and orange inside, great for smoothies. Peach, soft fuzzy skin with a juicy sweet inside. Plum, small and round with a smooth skin. Coconut, has hard shells but delicious water and white flesh inside. Honeydew melon, a green flesh melon that's super refreshing. Star fruit, a fun-shaped fruit that looks like a star when sliced. Pit, a soft and sweet fruit with tiny seeds inside. Mulberry, looks like a long blackberry and is super sweet. Olive, a small fruit used to make olive oil. Avocado, a creamy fruit that's great for toast and guacamole. Dragon fruit, a pink spiky fruit with white or red flesh and tiny seeds. Raspberry, a soft, sweet, and slightly tangy fruit. Lemon, a sour fruit that's great for making lemonade. Guava, a green or pink fruit with tiny edible seeds. Rambutan, a hairy fruit similar to lychee but sweeter. Cranberry, small, red, and tart, often used in juice. Gooseberry, a small sour fruit that can be red, green, or yellow. Tangerine, similar to mandarins but even sweeter. Nectarine, like a peach but with smooth skin. Date, a sweet fruit that grows on palm trees. Jackfruit, the largest fruit that grows on a tree. Longan, a tiny fruit like lychee but milder in taste. Persimmon, a bright orange fruit that's super sweet when ripe. Cloudberry, a golden berry that grows in colder climates. Cantaloupe, a sweet and orange-fleshed melon. Pomegranate, filled with tiny juicy red seeds. Breadfruit, a starchy fruit often cooked like potatoes. Red currant, tiny bright red berries with a tart taste. Watermelon, a big juicy fruit with lots of water inside. White currant, a sweeter version of red currants. Blue currant, a rare berry with a mild, tangy flavor. Snake fruit, a fruit with a scaly skin and sweet crunchy inside. Loquat, a juicy sweet fruit with a mix of peach and citrus flavors. Sugar apple, soft and creamy inside, like custard. Rose apple, a crunchy bell-shaped fruit with a mild taste. Calamansi, a small citrus fruit used in drinks and cooking. Miracle fruit makes sour foods taste sweet. Yuzu, a Japanese citrus fruit used for juices and flavoring. Sugarcane, a tall grass plant that produces sweet juice. Quince, looks like a yellow pear, but it's too hard to eat raw. Tamarind, a brown pod-shaped fruit with a sticky, tangy pulp inside. Sapodilla, super sweet and creamy, like brown sugar or caramel. Soursop, a green spiky fruit with sweet, soft white flesh. Medlar, a fruit that's only eaten when very ripe and soft. Durian, known as the king of fruits, but has a strong smell. Wow, that was fruit-tastic. Which one was your favorite? See you soon.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.